Hey there, tech fans. Rick here again with a quick review of the brand new DJI Mic 2. This is the very latest generation of wireless microphone technology from DJI, and this particular product includes one really important feature that makes it an incredibly special product. And that feature is a dual transmission technology built into each one of the microphones that allow them to independently connect to a wide variety of different products over a standard Bluetooth connection. And that's unique in the space because normally a wireless microphone like this needs a receiver. And that receiver connects to whatever product you'd like to send the audio to, and there's a special transmission topology between the microphone and the receiver that guarantees a solid signal and transmits the audio from the microphone to that receiver, and it works great. So normally, if you're using a DSLR camera, you'll connect the receiver up to the camera, you'll use the microphone, transmit the audio, and then that gets recorded on your camera. What's unique about the Mic 2 is you don't need the receiver. The microphone itself has a Bluetooth transmitter built in that it can actually connect to various products over a standard Bluetooth connection. So for example, your phone, your tablet, if you've got the Pocket 3, if you've got the Action 4, all of these will pair up with that microphone directly. Now think about that. You don't have to have the entire kit. All you need is the microphone. So you can actually power up the microphone, establish that Bluetooth connection with your phone, and head out and do a vlog. Or if you're doing some kind of TikTok video using your tablet, same thing applies. Same thing with the Pocket 3, same thing with the Action 4. So what DJI has done here is they've kind of broken the mold where in the old days you had to have a receiver. Every other wireless microphone company on the planet requires these two components. With DJI, you don't need it. You can directly connect to these products over Bluetooth, and that's huge. Now, in addition to that, the microphone itself has got a lot of advanced features built in as well. For example, you can use the microphone for up to 6 hours on a full charge. That's a lot of recording time. It also has the ability to record the audio internally because it's got 8 gigs of internal memory, so you can hit the record button without connecting to anything and record audio directly on the microphone, up to 14 hours of recorded audio and 32-bit float. So it's going to give you really high quality audio directly in the microphone. It also has active noise canceling built in, so if you're outside and it's really windy and there's a lot of noise around you, the microphone is smart enough to sense that noise and knock it down so you get crystal clear audio, either transmitted to a device or recorded directly in the product. The nice thing too about it is DJI offers this in a bunch of different configurations. So for example, you can find just the microphone, and you can get the microphone in black or white, so whatever you like you can use, but the microphone itself is a single product. You can also get it with the receiver. So if you have a DSLR camera that you can't record, over Bluetooth, you can connect the receiver up to your DSLR camera or other product that doesn't have a Bluetooth connection, and you'll transmit to that over the proprietary connection. Now, I will tell you, the distance between these two is up to 250 meters, which is a really big distance. I don't know why you'd need that level of distance away, but connecting over that proprietary technology gives you 250 meters. The Bluetooth connection is limited to standard Bluetooth distance, which is about 40 feet or 50 feet, which is plenty if you're recording on these devices. There's also a kit available that includes a second microphone and a charging case. So this case, you just drop the products into it and they automatically recharge inside the case. If you drop them in, they're magnetically attached, and boom, close the lid and they just recharge. So you can get it as the full kit as well. It also comes with windscreen. So the microphone has a little dead cat that pops on the top of it. You plug it in there and you're good to go. You also have a couple of unique ways to attach the microphone to your shirt or your lapel or your jacket. You can clip it on like a standard microphone like that, but they also include this incredibly heavy-duty magnet right here that you can use inside your shirt and clip it onto your shirt and not even see the clip. So DJI has really thought about what I'm going to use the microphone for, and by building in that dual transmission technology, they just completely expanded the use case for the microphone, because if I'm out in the field and I'm using the Pocket 3, which I use all the time, or I'm using an action camera, I can connect directly over Bluetooth and not have to worry about bringing the receiver out and charging up all those equipment there. I just use the microphone directly with it, and that can be such a benefit when you're out in the field. Even more importantly, if you're a vlogger and you're using your phone or your tablet or your computer, you can connect directly from this to that device and not have to worry about bringing all kinds of adapters and cables and extra battery packs with you. It just works directly with it. So I think what DJI has done here by building in that alternative Bluetooth transmission technology is really expanded the use case for the product. And I love the fact that you don't have to pick up the entire kit to use that feature. They offer just the microphone on its own, and I think if this worked just with the transmitter, it would be a home run. But the fact that this microphone is so sophisticated as a standalone device and it connects up to a lot of other products just makes it an incredibly powerful and really important product. And that's all I really had for today. So if you're looking for a wireless microphone you can use with your technology, this could very well be the product for you. Thanks again for watching. I hope you found this review helpful. And until next time, as always, stay nerdy.